Now is the time for a company that thinks differently. For a company with 19th century roots, 20th century grit, and 21st century vision. Where integration and craftsmanship create a new reality in product efficiency. This is the time for assembly systems so innovative that customer product upgrades, even brand new products, may not require new machines or components, just the imagination to envision the possibilities of what's already there.
Lanco integrated.
Lanco integrated.
Lanco integrated.
At Lanco, we create innovative custom modular powered and free and cam-driven turnkey automated assembly and test systems. These systems are designed for future expansion and changes based on your needs, not what we think are your needs. And after your system is delivered, we're there with you to maximize its capabilities and ensure its quality. That's just one of the many things that makes us different.
We design our systems from the point of view of our customers.
How can I maximize speed and throughput?
系統係咪容易操作？
We want to understand everything from a customer's perspective.
We stay with you and stand behind our products until they are performing to and exceeding your expectations. This is no idle promise. We take it personally.
We know we have to be there when a customer needs us.
Whether north,
South,
east, or west.
On the globe.
For them and for us, time is money.
efficiency is key.
We make it easy to work with us.
Envisioning, designing, manufacturing, and servicing our products is more than a job. It's a passion. It's not companies that build great products. It's people. Whether you're looking to produce 200 or 300 parts per minute or anything in between, we can do it. And we stand by your side in your manufacturing facility anywhere on the globe to make sure our systems perform as promised. This proven commitment is why many of our customers have partnered with us for over 40 years. They know quality, and they understand our commitment to their success. With global design, build, and service support, we'll find the ideal match between the product and process to achieve the highest possible production yield and quality standards in support of your goals. You can count on it. Discover what many of our customers in the automotive, medical, electronics, cosmetic, consumer goods, optical, and telecommunications fields already know. We've got the globe covered with a design, sales, manufacturing, and service network that makes it easy to access our wide range of systems and machine expertise.
We want to ensure that our design and build capability
And our service support is readily at hand.
wherever you are on the globe.
हम आपकी भाषा बोलते हैं
वो इमोसी आउसी
North, south, east, or west.
Because engineering expertise, high-performance machining, and innovation speaks to us all.
We are empowering global assembly.
Each and every day.
喺世界嘅每一個角落。
Together, we are Lanco integrated.